Hello, peeps. Hi, babe.
Ew.
Penny, where are we going? Are we going through a car wash? She's scared. I think. Well, at least the last time we went through a car wash, she was freaking out. Where are we going? Inside there. Dun dun dun. Hi, baby. Cheese. Penny, cheese. Just waiting. So my lipstick, I mixed like 2 colors. Made my own. I think it's Ramon by Kate. I have it in my bag. It's a nice mix, actually. It was actually done on mistake, but the lipstick, it looks like this, and then it's number 101, and then let me show you the color. The color is like this. Oops. And then the other one by Kate is number 60. It's like a berry color, like a dark berry color. So I put the lighter one first, and then a little bit of the berry one on top, and then like any gloss that you want. The gloss I used for this was the Mally one, and it's just her mod pink color, hella light, and yeah, that's what you get. So yeah, today's Saturday. We're just gonna head out to San Jose.
I eat some blood chunks.
It's his favorite. Well, it's my favorite too. Just don't do pig's feet or anything. Huh, Benny?
Pig feet is awesome.
No,
It's so awesome. Benji, if you're watching this, you gotta try pig's feet.
I don't think Benji's gonna watch because I only have like 5 subscribers. It's okay. I'll probably tag anyway, and yeah. So yeah, shout out to you guys if you guys ever come across our videos. Actually, I'll start doing it since it's like a nice memory video album and stuff to look back on like years later. So that'd be cool. So we're entering the car wash. It's telling us to hold. Doo-doo-doo. And I need a car wash because I've been parked under the tree and there's hella like obviously stuff on my car. And then my paint, unfortunately, it comes off on the bumper side. But it's because Honda didn't tell us that someone replaced it without saying nothing. Benny, worry. Ooh.
67 wash.
That's it? Well, when we go out, babe, just make sure to, go lightly. Don't forget to put on your seatbelt again. What is that? My dog's scared, that's why I'm filming in here. Especially when the whoosh, whoosh, whoosh comes down. It's like an octopus. Huh.
You don't have that here, maybe. It's okay.
I can't see! See, this is how, babe, it would be if we tinted our windows.
We?
I.
Me?
Me? I'll do a window. Just see how it goes. Benny, you scared? Should be. I just braided my hair because I was lazy. You like it? My braid? Look at Pocahontas. Wishy washy, wishy washy.
More like her sister.
What am I trying to say?
Chubby Hunters.
Just around the river bend. Oh, hell no! You just called me Chubby Hontes. What the hell? Is that why the river bent? Because of me?
No.
Whatever, so mean. Yeah. Oh no, that's Nemo. You know they're coming out with a...
Finding Dory?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna be hell excited.
Yeah, I'll see that.
Just keep 3D.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
What? Oh, there goes the blower. I hope it doesn't blow away our paint. What is that, Benny? It's not washing my side.
It's gonna come back.
Oh, it goes.
One
it
side
goes
and then
around.
the other.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Woohoo! And then I'm gonna have to get out to see if the paint came off. Or paint came off. I wish they made a dry clean. What the hell is this? Car wash for human. Like, you know how I don't shower? Just walk in. Be on a steady pedestal and just get my teeth brushed, my butt clean. That'd be funny. My boyfriend's like, shut up. Yeah. How about it? How boring is this? Well, anyway, for those who don't know, I do makeup. I know all that, but I mean, like, good. No way. So, let me know if you guys want any looks done. Or this one. This one's like an everyday dewy look. I'm not oily or anything, okay? So, let me know. Drying. Behind us? No, behind us. Take your time, babe. There's like 69 seconds. I love this car wash. I don't like the ones where you gotta align your wheel to like a roller coaster ride sort of thing. Because I missed one time and I scraped under my my car. And I know how to drive, okay? It's just that aligning it. I need it. But luckily this is the one where you just go in and go out. So that's cool. Almost done. 30 some seconds. It's a nice day out in Dublin. We're going to San Jose to eat and just hang out with family and stuff, so I know. Go to the trunk. Alright, and then just stay right there, babe. And then I'm gonna check to see if that's alright. No one, babe, it's okay. Just stay right here. They're still getting their car washed. So I'm gonna check if any more paint came off, or at least if this car wash did a good job. Okay, looking good. Looking good. See, this is the paint I'm talking about. Really bad. From behind and tell me, whatever. So, looks good. Anyway, that's that. Maybe I'll film later when we're at the restaurant so you guys know what I'm talking about. But if you guys are from the Bay, I'm sure you guys know that pho places are legit in San Jose. Unless they're legit anywhere else. Or are they legit anywhere else? It says not really. He would know because he's not Filipino. He's actually Vietnamese and Chinese. Yeah.
Bye, everybody.
And his name is Dat. So, yeah, he's not Filipino, and so he should know. So, yeah, I guess I'll film later to see, or to show you guys the soup and stuff. And yeah, so I'll film in a little bit. All right, bye.